In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revert to previous version in Airtable. If you've ever made changes to a base and wished you could roll things back, Airtable's built-in snapshots make that possible. I'll walk you to the exact place where Airtable keeps those previous versions so you can confidently find the one you need. Start by opening the Airtable base you want to review. Make sure you're actually inside the base, not just on the workspace home screen. You'll also want sufficient permissions on the base, since viewing past versions may be limited for some roles. Next, look to the bottom left corner of your Airtable window for the Help option. It usually appears as a small help icon or the word Help along the sidebar. Click it to open the Help menu for this specific base. This menu is where Airtable groups a handful of base-level tools and resources. From that Help menu, choose the option related to inviting or sharing your base. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Invite, Share, or Invite by sharing your base. Clicking this opens the sharing panel, which not only handles collaboration settings, but also links you to your base's previous versions. Inside this panel, you'll see a section that displays earlier versions of your base as screenshots. Airtable refers to these as snapshots. Each snapshot represents a point-in-time capture of your base, including its tables, fields, and data at that moment. Think of them as safety checkpoints you can return to. The number of snapshots you see here depends on your plan or subscription. On more limited plans, Airtable keeps fewer snapshots. On higher tier plans, you'll typically find a longer history. If your base is brand new or hasn't changed much, you may only see a handful of snapshots, and that's normal. A quick tip on expectations. Snapshots are periodic captures. They're not a second-by-second log of every individual change. If you're looking for a specific moment, use the timestamps on each snapshot to estimate which one is closest to the state you want. Also, if you don't see this section, double-check that you're in the correct base and that you have the right access level. This is the place where you review past versions and decide which state you want to go back to. Remember, reverting replaces your current base state with the one in the snapshot, so be sure you're comfortable with that before moving forward. Many teams choose to duplicate their base first as a safety net, just in case they want to compare or pull something forward later. And that's it. Open your base, click Help in the bottom left, go to the Invite or Share option, and use the Snapshot section to access your previous versions.